Lean Six Sigma Green Belt and Black Belt Certification Training. Hello everyone and welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In today's highly competitive business environment, organizations across the world are continuously looking for better ways to improve productivity, reduce waste, control costs, improve quality, shorten cycle times, increase customer satisfaction, and achieve measurable business results. And this is where Lean Six Sigma becomes extremely valuable. Lean Six Sigma combines the principles of lean management and Six Sigma to help organizations identify waste, reduce process variation, solve problems systematically, and improve overall process performance. Today's professionals are not only expected to perform their regular responsibilities, they are increasingly expected to contribute to process improvement, operational excellence, cost reduction, and business transformation. This is why Lean Six Sigma skills are becoming increasingly valuable across industries. At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we conduct live online Lean Six Sigma Green Belt and Black Belt certification training programs designed for professionals who want to develop practical process improvement and problem solving capabilities. One of the major advantages of our program is that we conduct weekend online batches every month, allowing working professionals to participate without taking significant time away from their regular jobs. And because the program is delivered online, participants can join our classes from different cities and countries around the world. Our weekend batches bring together professionals from different industries, different countries, and different professional backgrounds, creating a truly international learning environment. So whether you are working in India, the Middle East, Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, or any part of the world, our live online format can provide an opportunity to participate in a structured Lean Six Sigma learning program. In this video, let's understand what is Lean Six Sigma, why is it important for businesses, what is the difference between Green Belt and Black Belt, who should take this training, what will participants learn, and most importantly, how can URGS support your Lean Six Sigma professional development. Now first, what is Lean Six Sigma? Let's begin with the basics. Lean Six Sigma is a structured approach to process improvement. It brings together two important philosophies. The first is Lean. Lean focuses on identifying and reducing activities that do not add value to the customer. The second is Six Sigma. Six Sigma focuses strongly on reducing variation, improving consistency, and using data and statistical techniques to solve problems. When these two approaches are combined, organizations can work toward processes that are faster, more efficient, more consistent, less wasteful, and more customer focused. Lean Six Sigma is not limited to manufacturing. It can be applied to manufacturing, engineering, automotive, aerospace, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, IT and ITES, banking, financial services, supply chain, logistics, construction, telecommunications, education, and many other industries. Wherever there is a process, there is potentially an opportunity for improvement. Now, second, why do organizations need Lean Six Sigma? Let's consider a typical organization. A company may have excellent employees, good equipment, and strong management, but it can still have problems such as high rejection rates, customer complaints, long waiting times, excessive inventory, production delays, repeated work, process bottlenecks, high operating costs, poor productivity, delivery delays, data errors, unnecessary approvals, excessive movement, poor process flow. These problems can affect profitability and customer satisfaction. Lean Six Sigma provides a structured way to understand the problem rather than simply making assumptions. Instead of saying we need to work harder, Lean Six Sigma encourages professionals to ask, why is the process producing this result? What does the data tell us? Where is the variation coming from? Which activities create value? Which activities create waste? What is the root cause? And how can we improve the process and sustain the improvement? And next is third, Lean and the 8 wastes. One important component of Lean is identifying waste. Organizations can experience different types of waste. These commonly include defects, overproduction, waiting, non-utilized talent, transportation, inventory, motion, and extra processing. Let us take waiting as an example. Imagine a production process where an operator completes one activity but then waits 20 minutes for a material approval and information on or equipment. That waiting time may not add value to the customer. If this happens repeatedly across hundreds of transactions or thousands of production cycles, the total impact can become significant. Lean thinking encourages organizations to identify and reduce such waste. Now, Six Sigma and process variation. Now let us consider variation. Suppose a manufacturing process is designed to produce a component within a specified dimensional range. If the process is highly variable, some components may be close to the specification limits while others may become non-conforming. Six Sigma provides tools to understand this variation. Instead of simply sorting defective products at the end, organizations can investigate why is the process varying. Each related to machine condition, material, method, measurement, manpower, environment, process setting, or another factor. The objective is to control the process rather than simply inspect the output. Then next is the DAMIAC methodology. One of the most important methodologies in Six Sigma is DAMIAC. DAMIAC stands for define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. So let's understand each stage. Define means the first stage is define. We need to clearly understand the problem, what is happening, what is the business impact, who is affected, what does the customer expect, what is the project objective. A poorly defined problem can lead to a poorly focused improvement project. Therefore, defining the problem correctly is extremely important. Measure. The second stage is measure. Here we collect appropriate data about the existing process. We need to understand the current performance. For example, what is the current defect rate, what is the current cycle time, what is the current customer complaint rate, what is the current process capability. Without reliable data, improvement decisions may simply become assumptions. Now analyze. The third stage is analyze. Now investigate the causes of the problem. We can use different analytical and statistical tools. The objective is to move from we think this is the problem to the data demonstrate that this is a significant contributing factor. Now improve. The fourth stage is improve. Once significant causes have been identified, the team develops and evaluates improvement solutions. This could involve process redesign, parameter optimization, waste reduction, layout improvement, automation, training, standardization, error proofing, supplier improvement, or other appropriate solutions. Now control. Finally, we have control. An improvement is not successful if the process returns to its previous condition after a few weeks. The control phase helps establish mechanisms to sustain the improvement. This can involve process monitoring, control plans, standard operating procedures, performance indicators, visual controls, statistical monitoring, responsibility assignment, and ongoing review. Then sixth is green belt training. Let's now discuss the Lean Six Sigma green belt. A green belt professional generally develops the ability to participate in improvement projects and, depending on the organizational role and program structure, lead appropriate improvement initiatives. Green belt training typically develops knowledge of lean principles, Six Sigma concepts, DAMIAC, process mapping, problem definition, data collection, root cause analysis, statistical analysis, process capability, basic statistical tools, improvement techniques, control methods, project management, and performance measurement. Green belt is therefore highly relevant for professionals who want to actively participate in process improvement. Now next is who should attend green belt. Green belt training can be particularly useful for production professionals, quality professionals, process engineers, manufacturing engineers, operations professionals, supply chain professionals, logistic professionals, project professionals, healthcare professionals, IT professionals, banking professionals, pharmaceutical professionals, and professionals involved in continuous improvement. You do not necessarily have to work in a traditional manufacturing environment. The principles can be applied wherever processes exist. Now it's black belt training. Now let's move to the Lean Six Sigma black belt. Black belt training generally goes deeper into process improvement, data analysis, project leadership, and advanced problem solving. Black belt professionals may be involved in leading more complex improvement projects. They may work with the cross-functional teams and address significant business problems. Black belt training can therefore be valuable for process improvement leaders, operational excellence professionals, quality managers, continuous improvement managers, project managers, business excellence professionals, senior engineers, operation managers, consultants, and professionals who want to take a deeper role in Lean Six Sigma deployment. Now, next is green belt versus black belt comparison. So, what is the difference? In simple terms, green belt focuses on developing strong process improvement skills and participating in or leading appropriate improvement projects. Black belt generally develops deeper analytical leadership and project management capabilities for more complex improvement initiatives. The exact curriculum and certification requirements depend on the applicable training and certification scheme. At URGS International, our Lean Six Sigma programs are designed to help professionals develop practical knowledge that can be applied to real business situations. And next is AI and Lean Six Sigma. Today's business environment is also changing rapidly because of artificial intelligence. AI can support professionals in areas such as data analysis, pattern identification, problem solving support, process monitoring, report generation, knowledge management, forecasting, and decision support. Our program therefore introduces an AI enabled learning approach to help participants understand how modern technology can complement traditional Lean Six Sigma tools. However, AI should not replace professional judgment. The professional still needs to understand the process, the data, the business context, the statistical concepts, and the potential risks. AI can become a powerful supporting tool when used appropriately. Now, next is statistical analysis. One of the key strengths of Six Sigma is its emphasis on data. Professionals need to understand how to use data to make better decisions. Training can cover concepts and tools such as mean, median, variation, standard deviation, distribution, process capability, correlation, regression, hypothesis testing, control charts, Pareto analysis, cause and effect analysis, and other appropriate statistical techniques. The objective is not simply to learn formulas. The objective is to understand when should a particular tool be used. What does the result mean? How can it support a business decision? The practical understanding is extremely important. And next is real world case studies. Theory becomes much more valuable when it is connected with practical examples. This is why case studies can play an important role in Lean Six Sigma learning. For example, a manufacturing company may want to reduce rejection. A hospital may want to reduce patient waiting line. A bank may want to reduce transaction processing time. An IT company may want to reduce software defects. A logistic company may want to reduce delivery delays. A pharmaceutical organization may want to improve process consistency. The industry may be different, but the improvement methodology can often be adapted to the specific process. Now, hands-on project mentoring. Another important element is project application. Lean Six Sigma becomes much more valuable when participants can connect the concepts to an actual improvement opportunity. Project mentoring can help participants understand how to move through, define, to measure, to analyze, to improve, to control. Participants can learn how to structure a project, identify relevant data, select appropriate tools, and document improvement results. Now, 14th, Project Completion Certificate. As highlighted in our program, participants can receive a Lean Six Sigma Project Completion Certificate with the project title subject to the applicable program requirements. This provides a way to document practical project work alongside formal training. For professionals, a project can also become a useful example when discussing their process improvement experience with employers or clients. Now, why online training? One of the biggest advantages of our program is the live online format. Professionals do not always have the flexibility to travel to a training center. They may have full-time jobs, business responsibilities, travel commitments, family responsibilities, or international work schedules. Our live online format allows participants to attend instructor-led sessions remotely. You can participate from your home, office, or another suitable location with internet access. Now, 16th, weekend batches every month. And this is one of the key features of our Lean Six Sigma training programs. URGS International conducts weekend online batches every month. This makes the program particularly suitable for working professionals. Instead of attending classes during normal working hours, participants can join the scheduled weekend sessions. Our batches are designed to provide structured learning over multiple weekend sessions. And because the program is online, we can welcome participants from different parts of the world. Now next is 17th, international participants. Our live online weekend batches provide an opportunity for professionals from different countries to learn together. Participants can join from India, the Middle East, Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, and other regions, depending on the scheduled program timing. This creates a valuable learning environment because participants can share experiences from different industries, organizations, and geographical markets. A manufacturing professional may learn from an IT professional, a supply chain professional may learn from a healthcare professional, a quality professional may learn from someone working in banking or financial services. This cross industry interaction can make the learning experience more valuable. Now, next is flexibility for working professionals. Our weekend approach is particularly useful for professionals who cannot take several working days away from their jobs. For example, a quality engineer can attend the training on weekends. A production manager can participate without leaving the workplace for several days. An IT professional can join remotely. A supply chain professional can continue their normal weekday responsibilities. This makes live online weekend training a practical option for professionals who want to upgrade their skills while continuing their careers. Now next, who should consider this program? Let's summarize the professionals who can benefit. Manufacturing and production. Production managers, production engineers, manufacturing engineers, quality engineers, process engineers, supply chain and logistics, supply chain managers, logistic professionals, procurement professionals, warehouse professionals, healthcare and pharma, healthcare operations professionals, pharmaceutical professionals, quality professionals, process improvement teams, IT and ITES, IT manager, process managers, business analysts, service management professionals, banking and financial services, operations professionals, process excellence teams, risk professionals, quality professionals, cross industry professionals, consultants, project managers, continuous improvement professionals, operational excellence professionals, business excellence professionals. Now, while Lean Six Sigma certification. Certification can provide formal recognition of training and achievement according to the applicable certification scheme. But professionals should remember certification is not a substitute for practical experience. The strongest Lean Six Sigma professionals combine training, certification, project experience, analytical skills, industry knowledge, communication, and continuous learning. Our objective at URGS is to support participants in developing practical knowledge that can be applied beyond the classroom. Now next is business benefits. Let's look at the potential business benefits of Lean Six Sigma. Reduce waste. Identify activities that consume resources without adding value. Improve quality. Reduce defects, errors, and variation. Reduce cost. Identify opportunities for cost reduction. Improve productivity. Improve process efficiency and resource utilization. Reduce cycle time. Identify bottlenecks and unnecessary delays. Improve customer satisfaction. Deliver more consistent products and services. Improve decision making. Use data instead of assumptions. Develop problem solving culture. Create structured approaches to solving business problems. Now, Lean Six Sigma and career development. For professionals, Lean Six Sigma can strengthen their career profile. Organizations increasingly value professionals who can do more than manage day-to-day activities. They want people who can answer how can we improve this process, how can we reduce cost, how can we improve productivity, how can we reduce defects, how can we improve customer experience, how can we make a better use of data. Lean Six Sigma provides a structured framework for addressing these questions. Now, why choose URGS? At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, our focus is on professional training and practical learning. Our Lean Six Sigma, Green Belt and Black Belt program combines live instructor-led training, practical case studies, hands-on project mentoring, AI-enabled learning, statistical analysis, problem-solving techniques, and a globally aligned curriculum. Our objective is to help professionals understand Lean Six Sigma concepts and apply them to the real world business challenges. Now, monthly weekend online batches. If you cannot attend a particular month, you do not necessarily have to wait for a long period for the next opportunity. URGS conducts weekend Lean Six Sigma online batches every month. This provides flexibility for professionals to select a suitable upcoming batch according to their schedule. Participants from around the world can join the live online sessions. So, whether you are an experienced professional looking to strengthen your existing skills or someone looking to build a career in process improvement, you can explore our upcoming monthly weekend batches. Now, September 2026 batch. Our upcoming September 2026 batch is scheduled on 5th, 6th, 12th, 13th, 19th, 20th, 26th and 27th September. The program duration is 32 hours. The scheduled timing is 7:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. IST. The sessions are conducted Saturday and Sunday, and the mode is live online. This format is designed particularly for working professionals. Now, final call to action. So, if you are looking to improve your process improvement skills, develop Lean Six Sigma expertise, learn data-driven problem solving, strengthen your professional profile, lead improvement projects, or develop your career in operational excellence, our Lean Six Sigma Green Belt and Black Belt certification training program may be an excellent opportunity to consider. And remember, URGS conducts live online weekend Lean Six Sigma batches every month. Professors from different industries and countries can join these international online learning sessions. Do not have to be physically present in a training center. You can learn from wherever you are. Participate in live instructor-led sessions. Interact with professionals from different backgrounds and work toward developing practical Lean Six Sigma capabilities. Now contact URGS. For registration, program details or corporate training inquiries, contact URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. Live online Lean Six Sigma Green Belt and Black Belt certification training. Weekend batches every month. Participants welcome from around the world. Live instructor-led learning. AI-enabled statistical analysis and problem solving. Practical case studies. Hands-on project mentoring. Project completion certificate with project title. Now it lasts closing. Upgrade your skills, solve real business problems, reduce waste, improve processes, use data more effectively, develop your problem solving capabilities, and accelerate your professional career with Lean Six Sigma and AI-enabled learning. Join the next URGS Live online weekend batch and become part of an international learning community of professionals working toward process excellence, operational excellence, and controls improvement. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on Lean Six Sigma, ISO standards, quality management, auditing, certification, process improvement, professional training, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, empowering professionals, improving processes, supporting business excellence. See you in the next live online weekend batch. Thank you.